If your Ford Ranger won't start and the lights are flashing, you're likely dealing with a voltage or security system glitch. 85% of the time, these symptoms are caused by a battery that lacks the juice to engage the starter motor. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your truck is acting up. Start with the basics by checking your battery health and ensuring the terminals are tight and clean. Beyond the battery, a bad ground strap or a failing alternator can cause the electronics to freak out. If the dash lights are blinking rapidly, your Ford's anti-theft system might not be recognizing your key. You can handle battery and relay swaps yourself, but key programming usually requires a locksmith or dealer. Most fixes are affordable, ranging from a $20 relay to a few hundred for a new alternator. Try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes to clear any temporary electronic glitches. Keep a multimeter and a basic code reader handy to make this diagnostic process much faster. Remember that 9 times out of 10, a loose or dirty connection is the real culprit behind flashing lights. Check those battery connections today and get your Ford Ranger back on the road.